I have your file. I'm going to use attributes in the table in that file. I'm going to open the file with a text editor, and I'm going to use Notepad. Now I'm going to use attributes on the element of the table. The attributes which are there already are border, cell padding, cell spacing. And border is 0, cell padding is 0, and cell spacing is 0. I'm going to add in the attribute align. Attribute equal quotation mark center quotation mark. Align is the attribute, center is the value. And after everything that I do, I should save. Right, the next thing that I need to do is I need to give this table a border with a color. Now, at the moment, the table does have a border attribute, but it's border 0. Let me make table border 5 and save it. And look at the table. Yes. Now I want to have border, I want a border color, red. Now, border, B-O-R-D-E-R, color equals quotation mark red. Quotation mark. The value must always be in quotation marks. Save. I would have thought that I could use just border. But the attribute for a table has to be border color. Alright, now let us organize cell padding and cell spacing. Now padding is the amount of space between the text and the border. Let me save it and have a look. You can see there. And cell spacing is the amount of space between the different cells. I made it 20. Let's save it. I can see better there now. Yes. Now I want the table to have a background color. Background color. We've met this attribute before. BG color. BG color equals what background color should we have? Yellow. Quotation mark. Must be spelled correctly. Background color yellow. Save. Correct. Now, if I look at my table now with the browser, something's wrong with this table. I don't like it at all. Just wait. Yes. It is the whole screen, or almost the whole screen. It is much too big. Let me close this. I'm going to go back to my text editor, and I'm going to do something to the width. And I'm going to use the attribute width equals. Now I can specify exactly how wide it should be, or I can specify it based on the size of the screen. Now I'm working with a laptop which is wide. You may look at this in a monitor which has a square shape. We're going to make a percentage of the screen. So I'm going to make it 50%. And whatever value I want, it must be in quotation marks. So it's 50%. I'm going to save it. I'm going to double click here. I'm going to open it with the browser and have a look. And there, that is 50% of the monitor, of the screen size. Good. So we've had a look at a few attributes. We made sure that the border was something. We made it 5. The cell padding, cell spacing. We aligned the table in the center. We gave the table a border color. We gave the table a background color, and we organized the width at 50%. Those are different table attributes.